We have all been there, scrolling through beauty reviews, tempted by every new launch, every tool, every must have. But let me tell you the truth, you don't need half of the stuff. Influencers makes you believe you do. Hey Giggle, welcome back to Ananya Giggle and Ananya, your go-to girl for real wearable beauty that fits your life and pocket, not just your feet. So in today's video, I'm breaking down makeup and skincare products that are super hyped, but honestly, you can skip them. It's me helping you save your money and time. First, this color corrector. It's really don't need unless you have a serious discoloration like deep blue under eyes or very red acne marks. Most everyday dark circle and pigmentation can easily be hidden by a good coverage concealer. Second, too many makeup brushes. I know I have so many makeup brushes. A 25-piece brush set looks fancy, but honestly, you only need 5 to 6 makeup brushes. For blending your makeup or base, you can use this beauty blender. A small beauty blender can do so many things, or you can invest a foundation brush. Then a contour, a blush, and a fluffy brush for your eyeshadow application. Now third, multiple blush, contour, or highlight palette. Single pieces. You really don't need a drawer full of blush or contour palettes. Most people use only one or two shades regularly. You can do one thing, invest in a palette where you will get everything blush, contour and highlighter. So you don't need to buy a separate one because makeup products expired really fast. So you will end up like wasting the money. Now fourth, eyeshadow primers. They are marketed as must-have products, but honestly, a concealer can do a better job than an eyeshadow primer. So skip the primer. Don't waste money on a eyeshadow primer. You can use your face primer as an eye primer also, and then use this concealer and blend it with the help of your beauty blender. Then set lightly with using a powder, and you are ready to go. Use any eyeshadow after that. Now, the fifth product, my most favorite one, but I'm seriously telling you guys that don't invest in so many eyeshadow palettes. Let me show you. I have so many eyeshadow palettes because I love to experiment with my eyes. But you guys don't need to invest in 10 eyeshadow products for 10 shades or more than this if you are a beginner or if you are a daily user that you really don't use so many eyeshadow or so many colors in your makeup. Then why should you invest? One neutral class of colorful eyeshadow palettes equals all the eye looks you need. You can also invest in this kind of palette also where there is so many colors and you can play with colors in your eyes. So pick one versatile palette with matte, shimmer, black and glitter also. So you will achieve every look you need. Sixth, eyelash primer. Even me also did not invest in this product because it's just an unnecessary step. If your mascara is not doing good job, then you don't need a primer. Invest this money in a good mascara and you will achieve this kind of look. So curl your lashes, put some mascara and you are done to go. Now seventh, lots of lip liners. Me personally, I don't invest in any kind of lip liner. I just invest in so many color lipstick and or a lip palette. Let me show you. Oh, this I have and I use it like I lip line with the darker shade and apply the lighter shade for filling the lips. So if you want to invest in a lip liner, invest in 2 or 3 shades. Stick to a nude, pinkish and a dark brown and blend it with your lipstick to achieve any shade you want. Now move on to the skincare products. So 8th number is our favorite under eye patches. Yes, I have also. So this one. And yes, I really love to use this. But it's really don't do any job on your skin called permanent. It's just a temporary thing. I know they look really cute on Instagram, but in reality, they just give a temporary dip of effect. But it's mostly from the coldness and hydration. So you can do one thing, take 2 spoons, freeze it for overnight, then use it in the morning. You will get same result without any cost. Now for ninth, same story, a lip patches or a lip mask. You really don't need this too because it's also a temporary thing. You can get this applying only bathing or a thick lip balm for overnight. And that's all. Save your money. Now for 10th, too many serum. You don't need a different serum for every problem. Texture, brightening and listing. Choose just one serum that targets your main concern like niacinamide for oil control, hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for brightening and kojic acid for pigmentation. So find your problem and choose any product that your main concern and stick to it for at least 4 weeks before switching any other serum. Layering 5 different actives can actually irritate your skin. Now everyone's favorite, sheet mask. I know it's really viral and it's really popular amongst everyone, but it's really don't do so many things on your skin. It's fun once in a while, but expensive and wasteful in the long term. One good serum or can a moisturizer do better job more than this. If you really want to use the sheet mask, then only use the hyaluronic acid sheet mask. Because it's really hydrating. Now a blackhead strip. I know it's really do some kind of job, but scraping your skin with some this kind of product or some metal tools at home can damage your skin barrier and cause scarring. Use gentle BHA product like salicylic acid or a clay mask once a week. Consistency is safer than pores. Now a facial roller or a gua sha. These tools only show result if you are consistent with correct technique and oil. Most of us buy them and use for 2-3 days, then we forget about this. Also, they don't stay in your face permanently. It's also a temporary thing. So, big no, because I really don't use this right now. Now, moisturizer. You think expensive moisturizer do high performance? Then stop, bro. It's not. 3000 moisturizer for hydrated your skin. You only need a moisturizer that's a good quantity and gel based what can hydrate your skin. Look for ingredients like glycerin, ceramide, and hyaluronic acid. Even affordable brands offer them. Last but not the least, a eye cream. I don't use any eye cream, so I can't show you guys, but it's really don't work unless they contain specific ingredients like retinol, peptide. Most eye creams are just overpriced moisturizer in tiny tubes. Use your regular moisturizer around your eyes in a thick layer. You will get same effect, same result without wasting so many money. So giggle, we are done. And you don't need to follow every trend to have a glowing skin or a good makeup. It's not about owning everything. It's about knowing what really works on your skin and letting go of what you don't really need and don't work for your skin. So this is the end of this video. I will meet you soon on next Wednesday in the same time. I know I'm little bit inconsistent now because I have some exams going on. So sorry for that and see you soon on the next video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.